If you're watching Forex or gold or oil, you should be watching the US dollar because the direction of the greenback determines how the major currencies and commodities move and groove. Hi everyone, I'm Kathy Lean with BK Forex and welcome back to our YouTube channel. There are three things that you absolutely need to know if you're trading the US dollar, especially in this market environment. First and foremost, you should know that the US dollar is a safe haven currency, which means that when the Dow is falling 200, 300 points, which seems to be the norm these days, investors are often seeking refuge in the US dollar. You can see how strong the relationship is in this chart of the Eurodollar and Dow futures. The candlesticks represent the Eurodollar, while the orange line represents Dow futures. When the orange line falls, stocks are going down and investors are nervous. It coincides with the Eurodollar falling, which means investors are selling euros and buying US dollars. The reverse is also true. When stocks are rallying and investors are optimistic, Eurodollar rallies alongside equities. Stocks also have a strong relationship with the yen crosses. Now, I use this information for trading every day, and I think it's absolutely important for you to look at how stocks are trading every day because it can help you position into the right trades and avoid costly mistakes. For example, on Friday, Dow futures were down 250 points at the New York Open. Euro yen was in the sell zone, which means that I was trading below my ZIP indicator line, and the background was red. Dow futures were down as well. I sold Euro yen and the move didn't last for long, but that didn't matter because I caught a cool 40 pips in a matter of minutes. Secondly, the direction of the dollar is often determined by the direction of bond yields. This chart shows the strong correlation between dollar yen, which is the candlesticks, and 10-year yields, the orange line. The best part is that on a shorter time frame, like the 1-hour chart, the relationship is even stronger. So what does this tell us? That if you're trading the US dollar, don't go against the direction of yields. Meaning that if treasury yields are up, your best bet is to buy US dollars against another currency. And if yields are down, your best trade is to sell US dollars and go with the direction of yields rather than against it. That's what I do at BK every day. We had two beautiful ZIP sell signals in the New York Open in dollar yen. I looked at yields, which is the orange line, and they were falling, confirming that the best direction for the trade was to sell dollars. And boom, this became a very generous dollar yen short trade. By the way, if you want to learn more about ZIP, there's a link in the description below. Lastly, if you're trading the US dollar, you should know that any trending move in the early New York session usually ends at the London close. So you should be out by then because you won't get much more continuation. And worse, you could actually see a reversal. I am always out of my ZIP trades before the London close. These are three indispensable tips to trading the US dollar that all traders should know, and I hope you find it valuable. In high volatility environments like this one that we're trading right now, it is more important than ever to watch other markets for clues on how the US dollar and currencies could trade. And remember, always use a stop. Also, while bear markets are terrible for investors, it can be great for traders. Trading can help you offset losses in your investment portfolios, or it can simply add to your return if you're doing well. It's been a great week for my ZIP trades. We made more than 360 pips. Take a look here. We made 100 pips right off the bat on Monday, then added them slowly as the week progressed in our active trading signals for 238 pips. I have a 100 pip week target, so once I hit that target, I tend to trade more defensively. And that's what we did this past week. We also added another 127 pips and in our set it and forget it trades. Many of these trades I posted live on Twitter. If you're interested in getting access to my ZIP signals, and we made more than 600 pips in the last 4 weeks, and my trade ideas every day, check the link in the description of this video. And if you want more of videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.